Hi guys, MLG Master 5 here. I'm at a park in Victoria and I've just found something. I think it's a drop box or a package for someone, but look. It's it's wine. Huh. Either someone left it there on purpose or someone forgot it. But either way, looks like perfectly, I hope it's wine. I hope it's perfectly good wine. But either way, I'm going to leave it alone. Right? That's not worth it. Look. Train. Yeah. Near a train station. Looks like a rural one. Yeah. Thanks guys for watching. Have a good day.